Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover permanently suspended TikTok account. So to recover your permanently suspended TikTok account, there's a couple other ways you can do so. So here when you're logging into TikTok, the first thing you can do is go to your top left corner and then do the question mark, and then here you can see suspended account. So you can do that. And as you can see here in the suspended account, you can report the problem and tap to check if your account has been suspended basically. So once you have done that, you can log in here and you can appeal. So the second one was going back there again and recovering your account. So here, recover your account. And as we wait for it to load up, here you can see that you can actually put your TikTok username, phone number, email, or Instagram. So TikTok name would be sufficient. So just place TikTok 123 for an example, and we press next. So it will locate that type of identity, and it will choose a method to verify your identity. You can use your email or your phone. So once you have done this and you have sent a code successfully, it will be able to verify and you'll be able to recover it. And then you'll be able to have a chance to contest it with TikTok and write a reason why. So perhaps it's gonna something look like this. It's gonna show up here in your tickets once it's done. So here you can also do other if it doesn't really show up your problem. So here, need more help basically. And then here, tell your feedback. Do screenshots of your account, even a video if you have to, and tell TikTok that you want to recover your account immediately and put some reasons why. So if it was recently suspended, I cannot do anything for you. But if it was suspended for an unreasonable account or anything else, you can do so. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.